Welcome to the NAPE YouTube site. The purpose of this video is to let you know what NAPE is planning this year. We're planning 2 face-to-face events in both Leeds and London. That is, a NAPE conference at Leeds Trinity University and the Schiller Lecture at Plumstead in London. I will also be mentioning the publication of a very special Primary First Journal edition and a very special book about John Coe, our co-founder. John was often invited to the United States to talk about his working knowledge and understanding of child-centered learning. That is, rooted in the understanding that children are active learners who construct their knowledge through hands-on experiences and interactions with their environment. Now, more can be read from educational theorists such as Piaget and Vygotsky. The references are in the description below. In fact, one American educational magazine came to the conclusion that John was one of the foremost exponents of the child-centered approach in the UK. Now, it is the author's fervent hope of both the journal and the book that the examination and distillation of John's teaching in these publications, based on 70 years of practice working with schools, will be of real practical use of teachers and policy makers now and in the future. Now, this year's Schiller Lecture is being given by Charlotte Hacking, and together with Dominic Wyse, recently published a renowned book called The Balancing Act. Reference below in the description. Now, the details regarding this lecture, which is being held on Thursday the 3rd of April at 5 o'clock after school. Those details can be found on the website, and in fact the poster itself can be downloaded. All are welcome. This is a free lecture. Please book with our secretary, Robert Young. The half-day's NAPE conference is being held at Leeds Trinity University, and this will be on Wednesday, March the 12th from 10 o'clock until 1 o'clock. Now, Mick Walters, NAPE President, will be talking about developing the primary curriculum, and this will be followed by 2 speakers from the university. NAPE members will attract a discount, otherwise admission is £40. Book with the national office. Email below. So, as you can see, NAPE has a busy time ahead, so we sincerely hope you will take full advantage of the activities and publications. Join NAPE and you will attract many different discounts. Thank you for listening.